Before learning how to adapt to different learning styles, it's important to understand what they are. There are three main learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer to learn through seeing information in the form of pictures, diagrams, or videos. Auditory learners learn best by listening to information, such as lectures or podcasts. Kinesthetic learners learn best through hands-on experiences and physical activities. The first step in adapting to different learning styles is to identify your own learning style. Take a learning style assessment test to determine which style you lean towards the most. Once you know your learning style, you can start incorporating techniques that cater to that style. For example, if you're a visual learner, try creating mind maps or using flashcards to study. To adapt to visual learners, incorporate visual aids into your teaching or studying methods. Use diagrams, charts, and videos to explain concepts. Highlight and color code notes to make them easier to remember. Visual learners also benefit from seeing the bigger picture, so try to provide context and connections between different pieces of information. To adapt to auditory learners, incorporate audio elements into your teaching or studying methods. Record lectures or read text out loud. Use podcasts or audiobooks to supplement readings. Auditory learners also benefit from repetition and discussion, so try to provide opportunities for them to review information and engage in group discussions. To adapt to kinesthetic learners, incorporate hands-on activities into your teaching or studying methods. Use manipulatives or models to explain concepts. Encourage movement and physical activity during study breaks. Kinesthetic learners also benefit from practical application and real-world examples, so try to provide opportunities for them to apply what they've learned in a tangible way. It's important to note that most people have a dominant learning style, but can still benefit from incorporating techniques from other styles. Try to use a variety of teaching or studying methods that cater to different learning styles. By combining learning styles, you can create a well-rounded approach to learning that caters to everyone's needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.